Hello everybody, Mountain RC here. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and as always, I appreciate all of the support. In today's video, we are featuring the Freewing J-10 90mm 8S Vigorous Dragon. Now, my friend at the field, Aaron, brought this out to the field. He's only flown this thing a couple of times. He's converted all of his stuff over to the Free Sky. He's put an 8S system using the new CNHL Lightning 4S packs in there. It looks beautiful, as you can see. It is heavy. One of the things that we noticed about this plane is it's heavy. There is some good weight to this plane, surprisingly. But how does it fly? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Yep.
Despite the weight I was telling you about, this thing just takes right off and rotates. It's got a lot of power on that 90mm 8S system. He almost hit a bird right there, as you can see. But as I was saying, this thing has a lot of power, and even though it's heavy, it doesn't fly heavy. And look at the speeds when he's coming by. It just has a lot of speed. Now, the speeds that we get here up at altitude are going to be a little bit less than what you would get if you were at sea level. So keep that in mind when you're watching our videos. Yeah, it does look pretty fast to us, but it's going to look a lot faster to those that are flying at lower elevations. Plenty of climbing power on that 8S, and when you really give it the goose, she flies fast. Check this out. Now, this is a Delta Wing bird, so if you are used to flying Delta Wings, this is a walk in the park. So if you've flown like the Eurofighter or the Rafale, this is just another Delta Wing, flies with the same really similar characteristics. That afterburner and those lights look fantastic on this plane. Now, when I was talking earlier about how heavy this plane is and the fact that it doesn't fly heavy, one thing we did notice is it does land a little heavy. The glide slope is pretty significant, so you got to keep that in mind when you're bringing it in and getting it ready for landing. Well, that'll do it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the flight. If you have any questions about the Freewing J-10 90mm 8S setup, please leave it in the comments below. I will get back to each and every one of you. I appreciate you all, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mountain RC.